Just giving it
Thursday, August 15th. Let's back to bombardiering. What do we got here?
well, he's coming to pick it up next week, eh?
Yeah.
So I'm just making sure it's all clean, get the bird shit off and stuff like that.
Okay. You got it all taped off here. You're doing a little painting, I see.
Well, I'm going to paint. I just taped off.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is one of the things Dad noticed. He wasn't quite satisfied with it. It's been kind of...
I'm still not satisfied.
But Dad had actually parked this and then...
What happened here is this guy, instead of putting a board on,
yeah.
this is paper.
Paper?
This is a paper board.
Okay.
So the moisture got in behind, that's why the paint come off.
Okay.
So I'm going to let it dry here, sand it again, and paint it, but I sealed the whole thing.
Okay.
Siliconed it.
Now, one of the things I remember with this machine, it had a very slow transmission leak.
It's
Have
good
you?
now.
Yeah.
Rad is right up, transmission's right up, motor's right up. But after he gets it home and drives it, he's got to change oil again because that motor hasn't had an oil like before I got it.
Yeah.
I don't know when it had an oil change. Probably never. It's so dirty.
Okay. So although Dad did change the oil on this,
I changed the oil in the filter.
it's needs another one likely right away here, just to get all the sediment.
Warm it up good and
Yeah.
drain it. Put new oil in. I give him a sample of the oil here. He
Yeah.
can put in whatever he wants, but it starts right away.
That's good.
Shift's good.
Perfect.
Brakes are good.
Good, good, good. So no issues bringing it into the shop then?
No, I just brought it in to make sure if it rains that this doesn't get wet. Eh?
Yeah.
It is wet right now.
Okay.
Jesus. So goddamn cheap. You couldn't even use the wood.
That's Dad's talking about the previous owner to the current owner.
Previous owner,
Yeah.
not the current owner.
So yeah, so this has been sitting out in the back lot here. Customer was so busy at the end of the season, he couldn't come and pick it up, but he just called me here today. And so Dad rolled it in and said, well, we better start looking at it. Now the customer might be bringing another customer with him. But we're going to get some photos here first, find out what's going on before Dad even wants to take on the job.
We're gonna look him over again.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that.
So can we maybe start it up real quick for the guys? Just so that anybody that wants to hear the bombardier.
I'll just put the power on.
Yeah.
It's got switches on both sides, so
Okay.
I'll put them both on. It's foolproof shifter because it locks. Now you gotta wait for the fuel pump.
There we go. Starts right up. That's what we like to hear. So yeah, this is...
What he does with it from here on is entirely up to him.
Yeah. So this is a couple jobs ago, and the customer's just picking it up. And he inquired about the other bombardier out in the yard that we're selling for a customer that we got to maybe pull out at some point, maybe give an oil change on and kind of tour it around for sale, show you guys, because there's a lot of guys asking about different pieces of equipment. And Peter might have some stuff that he wants to work on or sell, so might have to do some videos there. But Dad's just basically been working on airboats here, stuff for the other customer, and he wants to, that's what he's been keeping busy on.
I'm caught up with everything.
But he's caught up on airboats and other boats, so this is it. And we're dealing with two very, 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 very stinky dogs today who decided to go chasing skunks. So,
They can't be in the coffee room.
yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. So Kitty is found his new perch, and he is monitoring the airboat. And he's not leaving until the airboat leaves.